Hey, what's up, Digibyte holder? So, what's the next? In upcoming days, Digibyte going up or fails down? It's very big question of all holder. So, I told you, and this video, my friend, also this question answering you, my friend. But also tell you, my friends, to this is selling time, holding time. But what's my opinion, my friend? Everything in this video is going very special. This is live price prediction of Digibyte coin holder. Let's get started without any time waste, my friend. But I officially started, my friend, this video. But please subscribe our YouTube channel for latest news and updates. Just click the red button, subscribe this channel. Thank you, my brother. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Okay, like this video also. Thank you so much, my friend. If you can see here, this time the change occurs plus 9.37%. They're gone off in the last 1 month, my friend. If you can see here, this time the price is 0.16 US dollar because the price is very badly decreased now. But here, if you can see here, 0.12 USD dollar, my friend. So this is good news, my friend, for everyone. No, I think, my friend, this time here as the price is increased now. So good news, my friend. My friend, if you can see here, when first of all I draw a chart, my friend, then I explain you, my friend. This time, if you can see here, I draw a resistance line A, and this here is 2, my friend. This time, if you can see here, after a very bad falls, they take a jump. You can see here, if this circulation they're moving up, then absolutely, my friend, I have good news for everyone to they moving up in upcoming days. Exactly, they're moving up, my friend. So Digibyte holder, please don't sell it, hold it. And if you have any plan to buy more, then exactly this is good time because the Digibyte has completely gone up in upcoming days. Very good change occur, my friend. So don't sell it, hold it, and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you very good profit. They make you millionaire. Absolutely, you are be safe from loss if you cannot sell it. So Digibyte holder, keep touch with ABS Tech channel. Absolutely, this channel guide you every time, every good news or bad news. I told you, my friend, first of all. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. To see you next time. Allah Hafiz. Take care.